Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to raise an allocation request in KEBS. The flow or procedure for raising an allocation request starts through the projects. The user or project manager persona can click on the project for which the resource is needed by navigating to the project's application. Once done, the details page of the project is displayed. Select the required item within the project. In the item level, the user can raise the allocation request by navigating to the Team Members tab and clicking on the Allocation Request button. The Create Allocation Request form appears. The user can fill all the mandatory fields such as the duration of assignment, the details of the job to be allocated, the job description, the criteria for acceptance for the allocated resource, the delivery organization, the work location, and all the other mandatory fields. Once this is done, the cost details is auto-populated. Once all the particulars are filled, the user can submit the request. The request is successfully created and is listed in the landing page of both within the projects and also the People Allocation app. The request can be accessed by the resource manager through the People Allocation app for approval and allocation. Thanks for watching.